A lot of people learning Swahili are not learning the wrong language, but they're learning the wrong version of it. Hi, I'm Xavery, and I've taught Swahili for over 7 years. I come from Tanzania and I've founded Living Swahili to help you learn what people actually use. What I've found out is that over the 7 years of teaching it, a lot of people are making mistakes that could be avoided. They're learning from outdated books or resources that are not written by people who actually use the language every day. And they teach you phrases like jambo instead of mambo, or hakuna matata instead of hamna shida or hakuna tatizo. And when you come to Tanzania and start saying them to people, you sound unnatural. If the goal is to sound natural to native speakers, you have to learn something that is living, something that is used by people on a Tuesday afternoon in markets, phrases that actually lend natural to native speakers and will help you actually create genuine connections with people here in Tanzania. So at Living Swahili, we're teaching you exactly that. We're not teaching you what the book recommends and the dictionary says it should be said this way. If people don't say it that way, we don't teach you. We want you to learn something that is alive, up to date, and it's said on the streets on a Tuesday afternoon by people here in Tanzania. If you're learning Swahili, go to livingswahili.com right now and grab a free resource. It's called 100 Words You'll Actually Use This Week, and we'll see you soon.